I like it glowing. I like blinding the haters with my highlights. Hey guys, so I already have makeup on, as you can see, but I'm still missing the highlight. The highlight. So I'm gonna be showing you like how to put highlights on and where. But basically, you use highlighters to accentuate the highest points of your face. This is the Lustrous bronzer and highlight palette. For this makeup look, I'm gonna be using the gold highlighter. This is what I'm feeling right now, and voila! Who doesn't like highlighters? Everyone likes highlighters. I mean, you can never put too much highlighter. Am I right? Or am I right? So the thing with highlighters is that like you can't just pat it on your cheek and you're good to go. No, it's not like that. You need to blend it. If you want like matte, just a little bit of highlights here. Don't put too much, just put enough. You can always like check by using like your cell phone flash to check out if you have enough highlighters, or if there's not enough, if there's too much. That's basically how I check mine. I like it glowing. No, but really, I like it because it makes my skin look fresh. Problem is, my skin is usually dry. When I put on foundation, it's always just, most of the time, cakey. So I like putting on highlighter to make it look fresh. Alright, I'm putting it now on my cupid's bow, here at the top of my lip. I usually just put it here, my cheekbones, and here, my nose bridge. And yeah, that's it. There. I have enough. Not enough. For the bronzer and highlighter palette, I actually have 3 different highlights. This is more on like gold. So if you want that golden girl, golden skin look, you just use the gold one. But if like you want it a bit pinkish, because this is a bit pinky. So if you want a bit of like a flush look, if you want to look a bit rosy, use the pink one. And like for extreme highlight, just use the white one. It's just really intense. Alright ladies, so I'm done putting highlight on my face. Now grab your own Lustrous bronzer and highlight palette and glow, glow, glow! That's so corny.